Sharon Road, 1500. Just pulled up. This is a little side street off of Silas Creek Parkway next to St. John's Lutheran Church and School, which is a great place. So Silas Creek Parkway is here. Now, the driveway and the address, of course, are on this cute little side street. But Silas Creek Parkway is a busy road. There's going to be some street noise. Let's look inside. A quick note, I do think this is going to need a new roof at some point in the not too distant future. I replaced a roof on a similar 2-bedroom, 1-bath cottage I have, the one up near Wake Forest University, and it was only about $4,500. Last year, it took them a day and a half. So not a huge expense. Some people fear roofs will cost a lot. Also, this home right behind has a Silas Creek Parkway address. I actually showed that to a client earlier this year before it went under contract. It's been completely remodeled and redone. Really nice property. It was listed at $127,000, and yeah, is pending. Has not yet closed, so we'll know the close date in a week or two, or the close price in a week or two. This one listed at $110. It's probably about the right price. The inside, I am pleasantly surprised. This is in good shape. Refinished hardwood floors. I'm seeing some cracking in the ceiling in this entranceway in the great room. Not uncommon in a house of this age. I know a structural engineer who is also a really good home inspector who could check out the foundation for us just to make sure there isn't currently any settling. So there's 2 bedrooms back the end of the hallway. They have new carpet. Lots of windows already covered for renters. Ceiling fan in that one. The bathroom is a little bit outdated. Has a new sink, new vinyl flooring. Commode looks recent. I hear that colored appliances are making a comeback. Not a terrible shade of blue tub there. And a little bit further down the hall is the master bedroom, or it could be a den, but they are listing this as a 3-bedroom. So this would be the master. It has 3 closets and a little desk space. So there apparently is no air conditioning in this home, just the window unit. Just to tell you, I've rented, oh, and there's a half bath. I have rented homes with window units before, and they're quite effective. And the kitchen is very spacious. New vinyl flooring, room for a countertop there, or a counter height table is what I was thinking. Eat-in kitchen, ceiling fan, and a desk space there in the corner of the kitchen. Very functional. Little storage area here. This is where the washer dryer hookups are. Heading out to the screened-in porch. Yeah, I think this would rent really well. Great screened-in porch, and of course the detached garage. Workshop. Yeah, folks would love that. I'm not going to go in the crawl space, but I did open the door and poke my head inside, and I don't think there's much that'll show up. Well, you can see a little bit on my phone. It does have a ground cover, which is a good sign that it's not wet down there, not causing any mold mildew issues. Of course, this is going to be access to the HVAC and the plumbing and the electrical. I don't see any major red flags, just poking my head in from the door. A home inspector, of course, would crawl up in there for us and report back and take pictures. All right, let me know what you think. I like this one. It is an older house, but I don't see any major red flags. Of course, I'm not a home inspector, except the roof is a bit older. I like that the gutter there is routed away from the property and to keep water out of the crawl space. So there is road noise, final thought, but I didn't hear it too bad inside. When you're inside with the windows closed, air conditioner, heater running, the road noise is not noticeable. Let me know what you think. Thanks.